Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write here on the screen. Fairbinaryoptions.com, and we'd like to make an analysis here for the euro and the Great Britain pound pair, or cross if you want, as it enjoyed a very much, let's say, interesting move to the downside. I would say that is not over. The gap that the market made with the Greek elections, the gap in here, is only the beginning of a triangle, and the whole pattern or the triangle looks something like this: A, B, C, D, E, and then the market should break lower or broke lower. Now, what kind of a triangle should be this one? Well, if you go and take the A and C and the B to D trend line, normally they should contract. So this would be the A and C, and this would be the B and D trend line. They should contract, but again, not only that they should contract, but all the rules of a contracting triangle should be there. This kind of a triangle, while can be associated with a running correction or a running triangle, it is not mandatory to be a running variation of a contracting triangle. My point is that it starts from here, and the move to the upside here is nothing but wave A, this wave A in here. Then we have a whole move to the downside all the way to here, and this will either here or here, it doesn't really matter, let's say in here. This to be the B wave, like this. Then to go with the C wave in here. So A, B, C, D, E, like this. So this to be the C wave, this to be the D wave in here, basically this D wave in here, a small E wave, and then the triangle is complete. Again, the triangle travels within the A and C and B to D trend lines, and B to D trend lines from here to here. And as you can see, we are now, if you project the B to D trend line, we are now right in a resistance, and this is the reason why the market started to correct a bit from those levels. Now, what would invalidate this move? What would be the let's say the reason for this market to invalidate this resistance in here? Where should it go to the upside? Well, it can go no more than this moment of time in here, then 0.7285, no more. And from my point of view, we have here nothing but the move that followed here is nothing but a possible first wave to the downside, then to have an A and the B, and let's say maybe it's going with a C. What I'm trying to say is that I would still favor put options here on the euro and the Great Britain pound, and the put options should come again on a revisiting on this level in here. Let's say 72.20 to 71.80 would be a nice place to go and buy put options. This would be invalidation of the whole scenario, but normally it should hold. This is technical analysis, and this is what we would like to do, to buy put options on a move again on 71.80 with whatever the expiration date. I will go 1 week and even end of month expiration date for euro and Great Britain pound. So, looking to buy put options, by the time market reaches 0.7180 with with 1 week or end of week, end of month expiration date. Nothing but a triangle, but this triangle in here is part of a complex correction. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Have a great day. Bye bye.